Yeah, sorry guys. It's man, about 4:30. Still only about 75 degrees, so very comfortable. Back from the beach, I got to eat a little bit of food here. I'll show you what I got, man. We went to Charlie John's yesterday. It's a Charles John's store in Speculator. Got me a new can here of Easy Cheese, the spray cheese, you know, Tampa favorite. Brand new box of chicken and biscuit crackers. And from home, I brought the Armour Vienna sausage barbecue flavored. So I'm gonna make a little something here to eat up. Girlfriend's taking a nap, so I'm gonna try and, you know, do this as quickly as I can. And then maybe do a little bit more exploring. These things, oh yeah, just as good as I remember. So after learning my lesson from the last time I tried these uncooked, I now know they're a lot better cooked. Didn't really spear them correctly, but that's okay. Gonna just extend the old stick here. You can see beautiful fire Kristen made. Just gonna set those right up there. Let them cook. Break into the old chicken and biscuit crackers, man. These things, I'll tell you. And look at this. Even, you know, right in the back tells you Easy Cheese. You know, spray cheese. I went through like, well, at least one can of this down at Moffett Beach. Jeez, man. Guess these things are, you know, withstand a nuclear war or something. Highly recommend these. Delicious. Oh, look at that, man. We got some cookage, whatever you want to call it. Toss that on there like that. And we got to open this thing up. Yeah. You gotta test it out, make sure it works. If it doesn't, I'm going back to Charlie John's. I'm gonna be like, you guys gave me a bunk can of spray cheese. Yep, there we go. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. It's deliciousness. That's good stuff, man. Especially on the old chicken and biscuit cracker. Yeah. Oh. I don't know what's going on over there. Don't worry about it. Okay. Let's try one of these. These things here. You guys have seen this before, you know, the Armour barbecue flavor Vienna sausages. These are good. Really did not think I'd be able to make it up here inside the blue line and eat some of these delicious things. Hopefully they're cooked enough to actually be delicious. We'll find out. Man alive. Actually, it's pretty good. Oh shit, man, that stick's hot. I'm thinking after I eat up this can, I might take a little walk. See what I can see. I'm just looking at the guy across the street from me. I'm not sure what he's doing. I hope he's not in distress. I really don't know, though. Right over there. I got no fucking clue what that dude is up to. I mean, he's all suited up for some cold weather tonight. I think tonight it's only supposed to get down to probably like 50. Am I gonna sleep in a hammock? Probably not. Why would I sleep in a hammock when I can, you know, sleep in that tent over there with the girlfriend? But who knows, man. Alright, I'm gonna make a little bit more food here. Yeah, I got no fucking clue. Maybe we'll take a little walk, do a little exploring. Who knows? We'll see what happens, man. Let's eat some more of these Vienna sausages. Some more of this old chicken and biscuit crackers. Of course, spray cheese. Guess on the cracker one way or another, right? Damn. It's just fucking good. That's how you do it at Outlaw Camp, man. It's fucking camping, cooking right there. There we go. Oh, that's how we do it, boy. Right there, man. It's gonna be some good stuff. I still got like 3 more of them in here. Let's try a raw one while I'm waiting. You know, why not? Pretty good. I mean, they're fully cooked, but you know what I mean. Oh, comes to smoke. Smoke's not coming from the Vienna sausages, but while I cook these up, I'll tell you, man. Well, there you go. While I cook these up, I'll tell you, bugs have not been a problem at all. Couple, you know, sweat bees and flies and stuff, but no mosquitoes, no black flies, nothing. It's been great. Got the thermocells. I got a feeling those are going to come in handy in the fall. Yeah. Oh man, look at that. That's some toasty fucking goodness right there. A little bit more in the old flame. All right. Yeah. All right. Now let's make this completely ridiculous. I'm gonna set those over there. There's something I never tried before, but I'm about to. I'm thinking, ooh, yeah, I still got 2 more in there. There's really no reason not to try this. Little cheese here on the bottom. You can hear.
You're wild. You're getting wild.
Yeah, I'm going crazy, man. I got like a chicken and biscuit cracker with some spray cheese and a cooked barbecue Vienna sausage. I'm making like a sandwich.
A little hors d'oeuvre.
Oh no, I'm making a whole sandwich. I'm not or
Sandwich.
huh?
Very small sandwich, right?
Yeah.
For a small boy.
Small sandwich for a small boy. It's kind of like a small fire for a small life. All right, let's see how this tastes. You guys could hopefully see this. Man, I hope this is coming out. Oh God. Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's coming out. Yeah. All right. So here we go. We're gonna try this out here, man. How can this not be good? The consistency leaves a little something to be desired. But as far as, you know, flavor-wise, man, this is delicious. I'll tell you guys, you ever find yourself someplace where you got a box of chicken and biscuit crackers and armored barbecue Vienna sausages and spray cheese, you definitely got to do this. I'm sure I will find myself in severe gastrointestinal distress later on this evening, but there's a bathroom right across the road there. I'm gonna try one more of these. Oh man, this is, fuck, that's delicious. Oh, I thought she was taking a nap, but no, we'll stay awake and just in case you start vomiting or whatever, come out, make sure I'm okay. There you go, man. That's how you make them. This is how you eat them. Oh, okay. Well, just saying something about bugs, but I was a spider. I think that was one of the spiders that eats, you know, the bad bugs. I think that was one of the spiders that, like, crawls up in your nose, lays eggs in your sinuses. I just brushed them off me, though. But yeah, man. Oh. Yeah, see, now I'm all like, is there a spider in my nose? No. Delicious. Go make the other two. I don't think I'm gonna. That's what I make. Dip them in what's left of the sauce. And of course, we gotta drink the sauce, you know.
Can I have a cracker cheese?
What's up?
Can I have a piece of cracker cheese?
Sure. See, I was just about to eat these, but she wants.
Eat them.
What?
You eat them.
No, I'll bring you. Do you want one with a Vienna sausage on it?
No, thank you.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna make.
Make it special.
Oh yeah, I will. Oh, it'll be special. I'm really not gonna fuck with this. Just play this. There we go. So that's it. There's proof. No fucking with the cracker cheese. What?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. It's okay. Let's do here. Yeah, fine. You know, like I said, we ain't staying on a ceremony or nothing like that. So you guys can't really see me. It really don't matter. Alright. Well, Vienna sausage on there. Barbecue flavored, of course. A little more cheese. Really can't hurt. Put the top on there. And this is what's gonna make it delicious. Because I still got some barbecue sauce in here, or whatever this stuff is. Just gonna dip it in here like this. That dripping, delicious goodness for bears and woodland creatures to come eat me in the middle of the night. If I'm gonna die, at least I'm gonna die with a stomach full of this shit. That's fucking great, guys. I'm telling you guys gotta try this. Oh shit. Alright, that one's a little too dirty. But now I've got. Yeah, it's still good. Barbecue sauce on my feet. Smoking fire. I mean, you guys got the gist of what I was doing. I really don't need to make the whole sandwich thing, but I do need to just fucking cover this Vienna sausage thing here and spray cheese. It's like a pterodactyl or something back there. I think it's a chicken cow. You guys know about the chicken cow? If you don't know about the chicken cow, oh, it's not the chicken cow. It's a giant crow going in that weird ass tree. I'll show you later. But yeah, man, if you guys don't know about the chicken cow, man, you got to Google. Just Google chicken cow, or you may have to Google Wesley Willis, genius, breast and power, Wesley Willis. Yeah, Wesley Willis, the chicken cow. If you don't already know what I'm talking about. And you know what, man? Barbecue sauce left in here. Here's to Wesley Willis. Yeah. Whew. Thank God I got a whole thing of Tums. Man. Oh. A little salty, but that's good. Yep.
The chicken can